Watch the spaghetti. Just a little light touch on the trigger is all it takes. Now, if you guys want me to use this today for the finale, clap and cheer now. Or, if you'd like me to use the more dangerous one in fact, with the spikes, clap and cheer now. Now Caleb, please pass me the card. Because without any further ado, London, I will now place these cards in between the jaws of doom. By the way, let's build this up. Can I get an ooh? Can I get an ah? So put your arm like this. Goodness, let alone actually do it. The cards are going to go in the hard way. If it's okay for me to do it the hard way, give me a nod. Good stuff. I can't believe nobody's even trying to stop me. Now I'll do it, but on the box. Can you see how nervous I'm looking? You can? I start to get a nervous reaction. Ooh. That tasted really funny. Must have been the Jokers. Thank you. Who have you got that one? Sorry. You know doing this is just so addictive now. It's okay, don't worry. I'm just down to 1 pack a day now. I'm making that joke while I can, because soon, people born after 2009 will no longer get that. Alright. Hit the box, you will take that back. Are you ready, Caleb? You are. Perfect. Caleb, place them. And take a bow. Everybody clap there. And you can go and join your family. Now watch this. 30 seconds left. Here we go. The most dangerous card trick in the world. Now we've got people watching from around the world. Kids, are we ready for some danger? And our adults, are we ready for some danger? Everybody together right now. Are we ready for some danger? Now I'm going to put the chain in the right position for this. Kids, what I'm about to do here is genuinely dangerous. Do not try this at home. And study hard at school, go to university, get a job, get a classics degree, study Latin and Greek. That's what I did. And one day you too could be on the streets. Now nobody should try this whatsoever. I am a trained professional. I've been doing this for the last 5 years. And you know what? I love what I do because of audiences like you. Getting so many people from around the world, stopping an audience and showing you something fantastic which you'll enjoy at the end. My name is Nathan L. Street Star Magician, and I am proud to say this is my job, what I do for a living. Oh wow, thank you for that cheer. Can I just say that was not the same reaction I got when I first told my mum. Now guys, it is my job. I'm going to say this very briefly. I'm not going to go on about it, but I have to say it because if I don't, everybody runs away at the end. But we as street entertainers have been performing here for the last 400 years, and nobody pays us to be here. I'm not funded by the council. I'm not employed by the market or paid by anybody to entertain you. So at the end of the show, oh, if you leave now, I follow you home and do the show again. I don't follow anybody, guys. This is the most honest way of performing and the most honest way of making a living. I hold out my hat at the end of the show. If you can give, please give. And if you can't give, please give. Can I ask you guys to come up to here just for the last bit of the show? Everybody here, stand shoulder to shoulder and side to side. One step in, perfect. Now, if you don't know what to give, I will just give you a little bit of context. If you take a family of 4 down the road to watch Frozen, that would cost you £118 for a family ticket. I am not asking for that amount, but I think a half-an-hour show with a dangerous stunt, a Rubik's Cube solve, rope magic and a lot more, I do think that is worth a £10 note. And if you disagree and think that's too much, I will then set you a challenge. Just take a £10 note, anywhere in London, and see how much fun you really have. If you throw in 20, that really does make my day. And if you don't have any money on you, that's fine. I have a card machine. Guys, can I have a little round of applause to make sure you're still with me after that? I know talking about the money kind of kills the vibe a bit, but if I don't ask, I don't get. Everybody give me a big ooh, and a big ah. And guys, all the money you give goes from an independent artist, me, who cares a lot about their art. Not a big corporation taking over the world, who does not even know the names of their staff. And if all you have is pennies or silver, do the right thing, use the reader. Here we go. Guys, it's been a really tough day today as well with the marathon day. But you guys have actually been my show of the day. Let's make sure that continues. Guys, can we just fill all the holes again? One little step forward to the bollards, guys. Here we go. I'm just trying to make this feel like, again, a show of 2024. And less like a show of 2020. All right, here we go. Everybody here toes to the rope. Everybody here toes to the water. Thank you so much. Hands in the air. If you've got shopping, stick it between your legs. Unfold your arms. When I clap, everybody, please give me 1 clap in return. So 1 clap from me, 1 clap from you. Here we go. 1 clap. Brilliant. Love it. Clap. Clap. Yes. Everybody clap. Yeah. A little bit louder. Harder. Faster. Okay, here we go. Beautiful. Keep it going. 5, Keep it going, yes. 3, 2, 1. Now, at the beginning of the show, Caelan signed a card. Anybody who remembers what it is, shout it out loud now. Now, if this really is the 7 of hearts that I've managed to get out of here without hurting myself, then you will know what to do. And please, don't just walk away at the end like you saw nothing, or drag your kids off without even saying thank you, because seeing that really does hurt my feelings. You did beautiful. Don't spoil it. If this really has got Caelan's name on it with a smiley face, you can put your hands together one last time, Levin. You can clap, you can cheer. Come on, Levin, make some noise. No injury in my hand. Come on! And hang on. Nobody move! Ladies and gentlemen, I've spent my life trying to do good things for others. Now is your time to do good things for me. My hat and my heart. Come forward and support the art, guys. This is the exit right here. And the first one with a £10 note is the lucky one. There you go. Appreciate every single one of you. Well, look at this. A note from a child who does not even have a job. Notes in the front. Imagine just what the adults could afford. Yeah, just throw it in there. Thank you much. There you guys. Don't forget, the more you give, the better I can live. Thank you. I'm just going to load my